Okay. We will share my screen. Okay. Multiple sharing. No, sharing. Okay. Okay. All of you don't confuse between editor. They are having so many editor in the market. Okay. I am telling the one editor, Thorny editor. Okay. I will use Thorny editor to ESL 3 lab. Okay. All practical we will do default editor first, and then we will move for Thorny editor for the practical program. Okay. Yes. Understood all of you? Yes. Hello. Hello. Hello, student.
Yes.
Okay. Join fast. Hello. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Okay. Attendance is very less. Only 25 students are joining. We will wait for 5 minutes, means 3:35. Okay. After 3:35, I will not allow the student. Okay. Yes. Hello. Mute yourself. Vijay Bhosle. Mute yourself first. Yes. Okay. I will wait for 5 minutes. Then we will start the session. Aishwarya, mute yourself first.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We will wait for 5 minutes. Then we will start our session. Okay. Hello. Yes. All of you. My screen is visible. My screen is visible. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. I am telling in first point in Marathi. Then we will go for our session. Okay. Yes. लक्षात घ्या. मार्केटमध्ये सगळे एडिटर आहेत, ऑनलाईन एडिटर. ओके. तुम्हाला कोणता यूज करायचा आहे, तुम्ही कन्फ्यूज होऊ नका. ज्युपिटर म्हणजे काय, कोलॅब म्हणजे काय, कन्फ्यूज होऊ नका. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, मी तुम्हाला आयडियली मध्ये, डिफॉल्ट आयडियली मध्ये कसा रन करायचा प्रोग्राम हे तुम्हाला सांगणार आहे. ओके. त्याच्यानंतर आपण एक एडिटर यूज करणार आहे, थॉनी एडिटर. ओके. Thorny. Okay, all of you know about the Thorny editor. Okay, it is used for beginner. Okay, yes. Go for Google and which editor use in your depend on you. Gayatri, mute yourself. Okay, go for. All of you see this screen. Okay, yes. Go here, download it first. तुमच्याकडे पायथॉन सॉफ्टवेअर पायथॉन ऍप्लिकेशन नसेल, तुम्ही डायरेक्टली पायथॉन IDE फॉर बिगनर डाउनलोड करू शकता. ओके, येस. तुम्ही डायरेक्ट पायथॉन ORG ला गेला नाही तर सुद्धा तुम्ही पायथॉन IDE एडिटर डाउनलोड करू शकता. कळालं? सगळ्यांना समजलं काय बोलले ते? हॅलो हॅलो.
Yes, ma'am.
येस. आणि येस, डोंट कन्फ्यूज. फर्स्ट स्टेप start in beginner and then we will go for advanced. Okay, don't confuse in between the Jupyter, what is the Colab. Yes, don't confuse in 2 point. It is very long way. Okay, first way we will go for basic step and then we will move for latest step. Okay, Jupyter, what is the Colab. Okay, yes. My by mistake we will introduce your Colab first. I will not understand what is your point of view. We will understood it first and then we will move for it. Okay, yes. All of you know about the introduction of Python. Yes, first step we will see. All of you know about it. Yes. Yes, first step we will start the session. Yes, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, first agenda of the session is introduction to Python. Yes, what is Python? Why it is so much popular nowadays? Popular apps in Python, about Python, and features of Python and application of Python. Okay, see here, first one, what is Python? It is a general purpose high level programming language. Means Python, you use it for Linux, Ubuntu, Ubuntu, Mac OS, Windows. Whenever you want to install it, whenever you want to run the program, you run it Python editor. Okay? Yes, understood everybody? It is used for Shivraj, mute yourself first. Yes, mute yourself. Don't interrupt in between. Okay? Yes. Okay. Python is a general purpose high level programming language. Means it is run for Unix, Linux, Ubuntu, Mac OS, Windows 10. It is so many people use Windows 10 and Windows 7. Okay, nowadays Windows 10 only. Okay, and it can be used for, means Python, it is used for console application, desktop application, web application, mobile application, and machine learning, and very much important thing in nowadays, IoT application. IoT combined with hardware plus software. Okay, IoT application. Already you are know it. What is the IoT? Yes, yes or no? They're having the subject of IoT, no problem, and data science. It is used for data science also. Okay. Next point. Nowadays, so many popular apps. YouTube. Almost all students go for YouTube. Yes. Yes or no? Insta also is a one application, popular application nowadays. Google. All of you, one day, 1 minute, you go for Google and search anything, surfing, okay, and Dropbox. Next point, what is the Python? Okay, okay, what is the Python? Okay, wait for a minute, wait for a minute. Wait for a minute. Some of the network issues is there. Yes, now it is visible. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Vaishnavi. Yes. Okay. About Python. What is the Python? Okay. Anybody tell me what is the Python first? Tell me in Marathi. No problem. What is Python? Yes. Anybody interested to tell? See here, if you know any language, you does not any background of any language, C, C++, Java, but you learn Python easily. Okay. He have some of the concept clear in C++. Okay. You learn language Python because it is simpler into your English language. Okay. Yes. Understood. Understood everybody? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is very easy, very well organized, and very simple to understand. And it is like your English language. Okay, it is your English language, like this language, it is Python. Okay, and next one, case sensitive. Next one, it is object oriented language. Means all of you know about C++. Okay, C++ having the concept of uh, class, object, inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation. It is a background of object-oriented language. Okay. Next one, dynamically typed indentation. All of you go for indentation. I will tell you what is the indentation. Okay. Don't worry. And use variable without declaration. Means C language. First, we will declare the variable a is equal to 10, a is equal to 20. Then we will use it for your main function, main method. Okay, main method we will start. Okay, and then it is an interpreted language. Why it is interpreted? We will directly move for run the program. Okay, means we will directly move for running the program. We will not compile Python program. We will directly move for run the module. Okay, and future it is high level language. We will convert it into machine level language. Okay, and then simple to understand and simple to learn. Okay, and open source. What is open source? Means we will directly install the application into your net free of cost. Okay, any paid version in Python? No, we will directly use any editor to use learn Python. Yes, that's why it is open source. Okay, and it is GUI programming. Means you can use GUI application for the Python. Yes. Next one, interpreted. Interpreted means it is runtime language. Okay, it is runtime language. Okay, you directly run your program. C language, it is a procedure level language. Means first compile whole program and then run. Okay, and Python, they're having the one line executed. Okay, yes, understood. Understood everyone? Yes.
Yes,
Hello.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is expressive language. Nowadays, so many people use it. CSE, they're having no any background of stream. Okay, ENTC also perfect in Python. No any issues of behind it. Only CSEs. So many languages, and right now it is so many popular languages. Expressive language means easily understood, easily run the program. And next one, object oriented. They are having the concept of class and object. Okay, and next one, large standard library. Okay, they're having the large standard library. Okay, means pandas, numpy. They're having the matplot library also. They're having the large standard library. Okay. Yes, all of you clear the features of Python. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Then application where use Python. Okay. All of you know about the mini project. Yes. Anybody tell me the what is your mini project right now in TY? Yes. In TY, they're having the mini project. Yes. Yes or no? Yes or no? मग तुम्ही सॉरी फॉर मराठी तुम्ही कोणती लँग्वेज यूज करून करणार आहात प्रोजेक्ट एनी बिहाइंड द लॉजिक ऑफ द व्हॉट इज द लॉजिक ऑफ व्हॉट इज द लँग्वेज यूज फॉर प्रोजेक्ट यूज Python, Java, I will use C++ and design one page like this. Anybody having at the idea? Yes? Yes? Yes, student? Okay, okay. And nowadays image processing, face recognition, face detection, means your image processing, thumb prediction. Yes, like this project. Use Python. Image processing is all area of ENTC. They're having the no any CSE background, but only Python use for backend by the developing the image processing task. Okay. Next one, machine learning, computer science education. Next one, data science. Next one, business application, game development, and UI application and web development. Okay. Means, for example, Python language used for so many technology. Okay. Means image processing, machine learning, computer science, data science, business application, game development, desktop UI. Yes, and next one, web development. Okay. Yes, understood? Yes.
Yes,
Student?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. And why we learn Python? Why we learn Python? They're having some reason to learn Python. Some of the reason we use Python or many developer use Python language. Okay. Why? See here, in the history, first version is B. Okay, next version is C. Next level C++, and next Java. C is a procedure level language. Okay, they're having the vast of coding part. Yes, yes or no? Vast of coding part. Yes. Then C++ add the concept of object oriented, means class and object. Yes. And some of the features of does not having the C. Add केले त्यांनी C++ मध्ये. Yes or no? Please give me reply. Know that it is a last session. Plus, please give me reply. They're having the marks of ESL 3 also. Okay. Then we will continue. Okay. And next Java also having the same part. Okay. C++, Java, it is the first languages, but it is a programming first compile and then execute, but they're having the some of the largest coding. Okay, some of the largest coding in C++, Java. Yes, but Python having the simpler code like this English language. Okay, they're having the most inbuilt library. Most inbuilt library. Okay, yes, understood? Yes, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Python comes the extensive collection of third party, means means you use it Java. They're having the multiple inheritance not exist in Java. Then Python exited. Python multiple inheritance done it. Okay. And then Python can be used for large variety of tasks like desktop application. All of you know about the features, application, game development, data science, machine learning, image processing, and mobile application. We will done the all project in Python. Okay. Next one, they are having the cross platform. Means whenever you want to run your program, whenever you want to run your program in Python, you run it. Mac OS, Linux, Ubuntu, they are having the no any restriction of Python. Okay. Yes, all of you know about the Python. What is mean by Python? Yes. Yes, student. Yes, anyone having any problem? Introduction to Python. Yes.
No, ma'am.
Yes, we will. First of all, we will not start our session. Not start our chapter number, unit number 1. We will first discuss what is Python, popular application in Python. What is meant by Python? First, what is meant by Python? It is a general purpose, high level programming language. It can be used for console application, desktop application, web application, mobile application, and machine learning application, IoT application, and data science. Next one, popular application apps in developed in Python, YouTube, Insta, Google. You can search it Google, okay? But Google is already in HTML, CSS, okay? No any problem. And Dropbox. Then about Python, it is a simple, straightforward. Python is case sensitive. It is object-oriented language, dynamically typed, indentation used in curly braces, and variable without declaration, and interpreted. Means it is a runtime editor, a runtime programming language. Okay. Next one, features and application. Why to learn Python? Okay. Yes. Mute yourself.
हेलो हाँ करण दुकान से बोल रहे हैं
Mute yourself first. Mute yourself first.
हाँ क्या हुआ वो सोना कर लाएगी
Mute yourself first.
हाँ
What is your name?
ठीक ठीक
Vijay.
मतलब अभी
विजय
रात निकल
भोसले।
देते ना हम तो आपको सुबह तक मिलता है
Vijay Bhosle. Vijay Bhosle. Mute yourself.
भैया नाम क्या लिख दे इस पे
B23. It is last warning. Otherwise, I will remove you. Mute yourself.
रेजर मंगाए हैं क्या?
हाँ
Vijay Bhosle.
हाँ
Vijay Bhosle. Mute yourself.
इनको फिर देखने के लिए
Who is the CR of B division?
तो लिखा है
Tell them mute yourself. Tell them mute yourself. Otherwise, remove the Vijay Bhosle. BCR. We will remove them. Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
कोई भी पत्थर ऊपर पे लिखा जाएगा
हाँ
मतलब
We will
मानिए
remove it.
अंदर हम लोग एक पत्थर लगा के स्टाम्प देंगे तो स्टाम्प भी लिखा सकता है
हाँ लिख सकते हैं।
Last two
पत्थर भी नहीं लगाएंगे
warning to
अगर
you.
बड़ा पत्थर होगा कहीं पे प्लेन जगह होगा ना
हाँ, तो उसमें हो जाएगा
Okay. Please don't interrupt in between. Please. I will last warning to TYA and TYB division. Don't interrupt in between. Okay. Because some of the link of link between you and me, then don't interrupt in between. Okay. I will remove it. B division CR. I will remove Vijay Bhosle right now. Okay. If you are any student having any problem, okay, we will move for next point. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Our syllabus. Python programming means your ESL 3. Okay. First, introduction to Python. First point, introduction to Python interpreter, program execution, execution model variation, and the interactive prompt, and command line and file, and difference between Python 2x and Python 3x. Okay, first of all, we will learn what is the difference between compiler and interpreter, because it is most important part. Okay, because of the we will learn the programming language, then we will learn first what is the compiler and interpreter. Yes, anybody want to tell what is the compiler and interpreter? Yes, any student want to tell? This is his mean by compiler and this is this mean by interpreter. Yes, any student want to tell? Compiler means what? Your C language. Okay, entire program should be compiled. Yes, in compiler. Yes, then interpreter means your one line should be executed. One to one line of code at a time. Execute. Okay, and program need not compile every time. In compiler language, C language, you'll run it, compile every statement by statement. Yes. Yes, student. No, entire program should be compiled. But in interpreter, every time your high level program to convert to lower level program. Okay. Error in compiler, error should be displayed, entire program should be checked. Okay, and then error should be arise instruction by interpreter, means runtime error should be occur in interpreter. Okay. Yes, and what is the compiler used in programming language? C, C++, Java, and Scala, C Sharp. Okay, and interpreter used language Python, PHP, Perl, and Ruby. Okay, everybody understood? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, means compiler and interpreterचा first difference काय सांगितला? Because of we will start our syllabus, then you should be know about what is the compiler and interpreter and why Python it is interpreter. Okay, because Python program should be run line by line. Okay, understood everybody? Yes. Yes. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then we will move for our introduction to Python interpreter. Means your Python interpreter, what is mean by Python interpreter? Means your program run at the runtime. Okay. Program should be run at the runtime. Okay. Directly run. We will not compile the every statement by statement. We will directly run one by one. Okay. Yes, understood? One statement at a time. It is mean by we will consult it. It is a machine instruction. Okay. Yes.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. There I am in the editor. you write the hello word, and then interpreter input take interpreter means your ideally Python ideally run at a time or syntax error, whatever your error occur at the runtime. Okay, everybody understood what is the interpreter? We will directly run your program. Okay, they're having the no any compiler part. Okay, but it is automatically run. Okay, automatically compile it and then your interpreter run it. Okay, yes, all of you understood? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, okay. Means Python act as a compiler as a automatically. Okay, that's why interpreter. Okay, program execution. Okay, your source program my Python, and then go for bytecode, and then runtime we will having Python virtual machine, then having it directly compile, automatically compile, and then use the result as an interpreter. Okay, yes, everybody see the diagram? Yes, okay. First of all, sample code of Python. Print hello world, Python interpreter, take it, run it, hello world, print it, 2 plus 3, 5. Okay, then we will go for the practical demo. All of you, which editor use for Python practical? Yes, Vaishnavi? Hello? Shivani?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, which editor use right now? Python programming. Which editor use? Perform practical. All of you, tell me what you install. All of you install Python eh, application in your laptop or mobile. If you doing the mobile, go for Programize compiler. Okay, Programize app. Okay, all of you go for it. All of you, my screen is visible. Write it, print hello world. Hello world. Okay, what is the output of the program? All of you see the screen? Yes, hello world, print. Yes, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Suppose I will make some mistake. Hello world. Hello world. Write it semicolon. Then also print it. Okay, no any problem. But print single inverted comma and hello world. Hello world. And then double inverted comma. Write it. And what is the error of runtime? Yes, tell me.
Syntax error.
Hello, your voice are breaking.
Semicolon.
No, semicolon is optional in
Double
Python.
quote, ma'am.
Yes,
डबल एकीकडे सिंगल कोट झाल्याने एकीकडे डबल कोट आहे त्यामुळे एरर दाखवते.
yes, absolutely right. But it is a syntax error at the runtime. Yes, all of you understood? Means end of the line are the string literals. Means your string मध्ये काहीतरी problem आहे. Okay. Yes, all of you understood this part? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Suppose 2 plus 3. Then what is the output? 2 plus 3, 5. Then we will write it cell also. Okay, new file. It is a Python cell. Okay, and you should be write it Python program. Python program. Then you go for file new. Then open it editor and write it what is your program. Suppose hash for command line. Okay, addition. Okay, I will write it addition. Okay, a is equal to 8, b is equal to 10, and c is equal to a plus b. And print c. Okay, and file save as, what is your name? Shivani Atkay. Okay, see here, write it here, Shivani ENTC dot file. Save this file, run this module. Then what is the output of the program? All of you see here, 18. Okay, yes, all of you understood what is the logic, what is the programming statement? See here, I am not asked to attend only. Okay, don't write your present in here and then last left the session, Shivani. Okay, only write down your roll number in chat box, but don't leave the session in between.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes, I am not tell you the session is over, but already we will start late. Okay, yes, sample code of Python, print hello world 2 plus 3, 5. Okay, next point, interactive prompt, command line prompt, Python prompt also having the Python prompt, for example, and then script mode. All of you go for script mode. Okay, right now we will go for script mode. Okay, we will write the program here. See here, we will write the program of open module Shivani ENTC. Okay, open it. Okay, see here, it is your script mode. Okay, all of you understood it is a script mode. Okay, yes, and then we will go for our command prompt. Okay, Python prompt means your Python command prompt. Okay, see here, it is your Python 3.8 prompt. Okay, a is equal to 8, b is equal to 40, then c is equal to a plus b. Okay, and c print it. What is your output? Python prompt 48. Okay, yes, all of you understood? All of you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Python assignment means variable is equal to expression. Okay, means a is equal to 3, and semantic you change your variable value 8. Okay, and then Python 2x and Python 3x. The means first of all we will go for it. Yes, we will go for Python 2 and Python 3 difference. Okay, Python 2, it is a version of 2.7. Okay, and Python 3 means Python 3, it is another version. Okay, yes, understood. They are having the release version Python 2 2000 and Python 3, it is 2008. Okay, Python 2 having not having the parenthesis. Okay, and Python 3 having the parenthesis. Yes, syntax Python 2 having the so much complex difficulty to understand. Okay, but Python 3 exit, it is simpler and easily understood. Okay, and next one, rules of ordering of comparison are very complex for Python 2. Python 2 having the more Python 3 having more comparison rule being simplified. Okay, and next one, Python 2 having X range for 4 and then range function used for Python 3. Okay, they're having the older library version in Python 2 and they're having the Python 3 having the recently library version. Okay, in build. Okay, Python 3 having the parenthesis, Python 3 having the parenthesis, Python 2 having the not having the parenthesis. Okay, suppose I will write it here. I will write it here. Python, ideally open it. Okay, and write it print hello world and run it. What is the output? Anything, any output is here? No. Why? No, because of your parenthesis is missing. Yes, yes, because you run it your program in Python 3.8.1. Okay, yes, then your parentheses are missing. Okay, they're having the Python 2 syntax. Okay, and Python 3 having not syntax like this. Okay, yes, program and scripting. All of you understood what is the Python 3 and Python 2? They're having the simpler version 2000, Python 2 developed 2000 and Python 3 exit in 2008. They're having the not having the parenthesis in Python 2, Python 3 having the parenthesis. Python 2 having the difficult to understand but simpler to easily understand Python 3. Okay, and rule of ordering it very complex and rule of ordering and comparison it is very easy and simplified. Okay, Python 2 having X range function iteration, Python 3 having range function. Okay, and Python 2 having the older library, Python 3 having the latest library. Okay, yes, all of you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and who is a CR of A and B division? Yes, A and B division, who is a CR? Because we will go for our whole syllabus. That's why I'm telling you right now. Who is a CR? Make separate group of Python programming for your batch. Go for the separate Python programming, separate. And what is our work we will done in session? All of you take run it, program, and send the WhatsApp group, whatever your group right now. Okay, Python separate. Make the separate Python programming group. I will tell you what is the assignment in day by day. Okay. Yes. Yes. All of you understood? Yes? Please speak
Yes,
up.
ma'am.
Yes, please speak up. Yes? Program and scripting language. Okay. What is the program? First, tell me, everybody learn the program in every first year, second year. Yes. Tell me what is the program. Yes. Right now, I will accept it answer from your side. Yes. Tell me what is meant by program. Yes. Yes. See here. See here. If you want Krishna Koi 37, your test is going on, but after the 4:30 you give the test. Please.
Okay, madam.
Don't,
Okay, madam. Sorry, madam.
huh,
Sorry. Okay.
yes. Yes. Don't give the test in between the session. They're having the so much time in your hand. Okay. It is for your helpful session for your side. See here, so many videos in right now in YouTube in Python programming. So many editors use it in Python programming. But it is simpler way to understood what is the Python. You should be really concentrate on your focus in your Python. Okay. समजलं तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना? सगळ्यांना समजलं? लक्षात घ्या. We will first stop sharing. Wait for a minute.